All right, the drink we're about to make is called Aunt Agatha. Go ahead and with ice and measure out 2 ounces of light rum. There's 1 and 2. We'll give it a dash of bitters and fill it up with orange juice. Go and get your shaker and just pour it back and forth a couple of times, just enough to get everything mixed together. You've got your glass, pour it all in there, and we'll garnish it with a nice fresh slice of orange. Add a straw, and you have yourself an Aunt Agatha, a very good citrus cocktail, going to give you your full 100% vitamin C requirement for the day. Aunt Agatha, be proud. Bottoms up.